Welcome to Who Knows, a fun learning channel. If you're curious about the cosmos and love learning new things, let's blast off into 10 amazing facts about the universe. Fact 1. Space is big. You might have heard space is big, but let this sink in. The universe is so vast that even traveling at the speed of light, about 186,000 miles per second, it would take over 93 billion years to cross the observable universe. And that's just the part we can see. Fact 2. Stars outnumber grains. If you think beaches have a lot of sand, think again. Astronomers estimate there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth combined. That's mind-blowing, right? Fact 3. Black holes feast. Black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners, but they don't just suck up everything in sight. In fact, they only capture material that crosses their event horizon. Still, when black holes feast, they can emit powerful X-ray bursts detectable across galaxies. Fact 4. The coldest place. Space isn't always fiery and hot. The Boomerang Nebula holds the record for the coldest natural place in the universe at -457.7 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just a fraction above absolute zero. Fact 5. Planets raining diamonds. On Neptune and Uranus, scientists believe it rains diamonds. High pressures deep within these planets compress carbon into dazzling gems. Would you fancy a space mining trip? Fact 6. A year on Venus. Venus has an unusual twist. A day on Venus, which is the time it takes to rotate once, is longer than its year, or the time it takes to orbit the Sun. Imagine having your birthday before tomorrow arrives. Fact 7. Invisible dark matter. Most of the universe is made up of something we can't even see: dark matter and dark energy. Together, they make up about 95% of the universe's total mass energy content. Talk about mysterious. Fact 8. Galactic cannibalism. Galaxies are not peaceful neighbors. Our own Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4.5 billion years, they'll merge into one massive galaxy. Fact 9. Cosmic microwave echo. The universe still hums with the remnants of its birth. Cosmic microwave background radiation. It's the oldest light we can detect, dating back to just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Fact 10. Time dilation is real. Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, time doesn't tick the same for everyone. If you were to travel near the speed of light, you'd age more slowly than someone back on Earth. Time travel of sorts. What was your favorite fact? And what would you like to see in a future video? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Who Knows, where curiosity knows no bounds. So subscribe and keep watching. Who knows what you might discover? By the way, why did the star break up with the planet? Because it needed space. See you at the next video.